is they've looked at the derivation of Jamid nouns, and they've discovered something very interesting. So this is what I want to share, inshallah ta'ala.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Al-Wadq. This is a word in Arabic used for rain. Now, Arabs use a number of words for rain. There are other words such as al-matar and al-ghayth, and they have their own subtleties, but I actually want to concentrate on the word al-Wadq and how it's actually used in the Quran. But before I do that, I want to explain where this word actually is derived from. For example, we have ghayth, that's derived from to help. So you get the sense of asking for help, asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help. And that's where we get the name al-ghayth, which is the help that comes.
So when we go to an Arabic dictionary, we find this entry on Al-Wadq. It's found both in Surah An-Nur and Ar-Rum, and in both cases it says that it has the meaning of al-matar. Now we'll discover later on that matar is a different type of rain. It's a specific type of rain, and it's used in the Quran in a specific way. Another thing it mentions, which is interesting, in the second entry, bilughati Jurhum. Jurhum are actually a tribe, an ancient tribe. They were actually the first to migrate to the Arabian Peninsula at the time when Ismail alayhi salam and his mother came to Mecca. So tradition holds that the Jurhum tribe interacted with Ismail alayhi salam in Arabic. And so this is how Arabic actually came to the area. And they were originally from Yemen. Also, when we learn about Arabic grammar, we learn about two different types of words. You have the ism mushtaq and the ism jamid. One is derived and one exists on its own. So in this case, this word is jamid. It's not derived. It stands on its own. Now what scholars, modern day scholars have done is they've looked at the derivation of jamid nouns from other base letters, and they've discovered something very interesting. So this is what I want to share, inshallah ta'ala.
First of all, we'll take off the lam ta'rif, that's just for definiteness. We have the three base letters, the waw, the dal and the qaf. And what I've done is I've put the three different combinations, which is the first radical and the second one, which is here, the first and the third, which is here, and the second and the third, which is here. So it's actually three combinations. The meaning of these roots go into forming al-Wadq. Now what do I mean by that? If we understand what these roots mean, we'll understand what al-Wadq means. So al-Wadq means rain. So first of all, the question of who is sending down the rain. Obviously it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the question of who is answered by the waw and the dal. What do I mean by that? This root of waw and dal has the meaning of love. You get the word wood, means love. And you get the word Al-Wadud, which is the all-loving God. That's actually one of the meanings in Al-Wadq, meaning that it's a rain sent down by the all-loving. So that's the first meaning. Next, we have the waw and the qaf. Now this talks about why. There's actually a other letter, a weak letter, which is usually dropped, and that's the alif maqsura. So this particular root has the meaning of protection. So it actually gives the reason of why this rain is coming. Protection from what? From detriment. Obviously without rain, there is no life. So that's another meaning that's built inside Al-Wadq. Finally, we have here the dal and the qaf. Now from this root, we get the following. The how. How does the loving God send down the rain? Now, from this word, we get the word diqqa, which actually means precision, accuracy. So it's a precise rain. Now, sometimes, obviously, when we see rain outside, water's just going everywhere. There's no order with the rain. But actually, every single drop gets sent down to the exact place where it's supposed to. So we get the meanings of who's doing it, why, and how. And from these three, we get Al-Wadq. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how this particular word is used in the Quran, the actual precision and accuracy, and how it fits into the context precisely.
وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا